Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whether your Timex uses quick-release pins or traditional spring bars. This determines the tool and motion you'll use. Lay the watch face down on a soft cloth to protect the crystal and hold the lug steady. Using the fork tip of a spring bar tool or a small flat screwdriver, depress the spring bar shoulder inward toward the center of the band. Once it compresses, ease the bar out of the lug hole while supporting the strap to prevent sudden release. Once one side is free, flip the watch and repeat the motion on the opposite lug. You must compress the spring bar similarly while guiding the strap away from the case. If your band has a quick-release lever, slide it toward the strap center and pull the band straight out. This eliminates pin compression. Make sure to maintain gentle, steady pressure. Jerky pulls can bend spring bars or scratch lugs. After removal, inspect the bars and lug holes for wear or debris that could interfere. To finish, fit the replacement or original band by inserting one spring bar end into its lug hole, then compress the opposite end and guide it into place until you hear or feel a click. This confirms engagement. Make sure the bar is centered and the strap sits flush against the case. Improper seating causes gaps or sudden release. If the bar won't seat, clean the lug holes, check alignment, and try a new, correctly sized spring bar. If problems persist, seek a jeweler to avoid damaging the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.